Yes, I definitely know. Yeah, I know. I definitely know. It's been literally a very long time since I uploaded a video. Yeah, like in my last video, the best iPhone trick ever, I told you that I will upload videos regularly, but it's a sad reason which I cannot tell you. For that, for 1 month, I cannot even come to my home and touch my PC. I was out of station. So today I'm back here with a technology video. Oh, I forgot. Welcome to Enjoy with Bhavith. We are going to learn and enjoy. So now, today I will tell you how to get a keyboard typing sound as you type on your real keyboard. Yeah, I do this every day. It feels like I have a gaming keyboard. So first you need a simple application that is not even like a GB, not even a GB. It's very less. Yeah, it's Mac. Yeah, it's not mechanics. It's Mac Vibes. Just go to the first link. It will be in the description or up here in the card somewhere here. Yeah, I don't know. Next, go to the Mac Vibes. Go. Yeah, that's good. Now, from here, you can go to the downloads page, and here can simply from this GitHub, you can just download. Simple. What is it? You can just download from here, anywhere you want. And now, you can go back. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now I've already installed that application, and I'm going to show you where it is. It's in my important folder. I have some important, my editing app, my voice app, everything. Oh, I'm not gonna show you. And here's the Mac Vibe. And you can select anything like e.g. Oreo. What is Oreo? Oh, sound of four. Nice. Oh. I personally like cherry, this one. Cherry Max Brown BB keycaps. You have any here. And if you want more sounds, just click on the more sounds and you have custom sound packs. You can even upload them here. If you have like a very good keyboard, you can just record every particular key, and you can just upload it here. I have a normal keyboard. So now as I type on my keyboard, so I'm not gonna try to Google it. I'm gonna open that. As you can see, it's so satisfying. Wow. Wow, it's so satisfying. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you enjoyed the nice ASMR sound. If you want ASMR sound, then just follow my steps which I've told you now, and you can do your daily routine. Okay, bye bye.